Magandang hapon po ng Friday, January 10, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, January 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 10, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, January 10, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for January 10, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, January 10, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.